Good morning, Peter. So you can see here, I've already programmed the cone here. Looking at the drawing here, the drawing it shows it's 185.4, 199.9, and 270 long. I'm going to assume 16 gauge, which is 1.5 millimeters. I wouldn't go any thicker than that. And so I put in the 185.4, 270, and I put in the 199.9. I put in that I only want one seam, and I'm measuring all of this. I think that's OD. Let's see the drawing again. I'm measuring this all to be inside diameter. This is inside diameter. Okay, so that's good. Let's go back in. Inside diameter. So yes, I've got it set up right now as the inside diameter and 1.5 millimeters, which is 16 gauge. So there's the cone. So you can see there's the cone. And then when I flatten it, I'm going to flatten it here now. Unfold. Let's see here. Nope, sorry, manual. There we go. I'm just going to unfold it all the way around. Come on. Why isn't it unfolding both sides? Anyways, you can see here the cone, and I just want to add, excuse me for a second here, I'm going to just do it again here. Unfold. There we go. Now that's better. All right, and then unfold, and there's the actual shape. You can see here it's obviously not a rectangle because it's a cone, right? So with this, I'm just going to properties, and you can see the blank size here. So I'll get this quote over to you in a few minutes. I'm looking at the option to do this with seam welding. For the quote, I'm not going to quote seam welding because I've checked with a couple of my competitors who are sheet metal guys. That's all they do is sheet metal. And a seam welder would be the perfect thing for this. If I do it by hand, which is the normal way, if I weld this by hand, I'm just going to copy this first, clipboard. Okay. If I weld this this by hand, then the weld seam will, have to grind it. But I'll quote you both ways, with and without grinding, because again, the weld seam will not be that large, and there's no point in grinding it if the customer doesn't need it ground. But I'll quote you both options to see if you like it both ways. Okay. All right. So give me a few more minutes, and I'll finish the quote off for you. Thank you.